Welcome to the 2018 Pheasant Hunt with your host, Biscuit Benny. This time with improved audio. The audio last year wasn't very good, so I made some improvements to pleasure your ears. It starts like every pheasant hunt with a bunch of clay shooting to find out who sucks the most. I'm just kidding. It's actually a requirement from the hunting guides to make sure our guns are working, because getting to the field with a broken gun is no fun. I'm rocking a Remington 870 Magnum 12-gauge duck gun with an improved cylinder choke for those medium-range shots. I've had this gun for about 5 years and it's worked flawlessly, with the exception of a couple of jams. Never figured out the root cause, but I had no issues this year, so A+ to the Remington 870. I know it's not classy to hunt pheasant with a pump shotgun with a 4+1 round capacity, considering the standard is a classic over-under shotgun. But I got the gun for free and only had to pay the FFL transfer fee, whereas a good over-under like a Browning Satori would cost me like $2 grand. So the choice for me was pretty easy. Anyway, I hope those trap shooting sequences were nice to watch, because that's about to be done as we head into the hunt. See y'all out on the fields. Low, low, low! Low! I hope the wind noise isn't too bad on this mic with the little wind socket on it. Rooster! Good shot! I'll take the credit for that one. This is my 4th time out here in South Dakota shooting at birds. It is a treat to be out here. The weather's beautiful this time around. I'm really hoping to get some good shots today. So right now I'm flanking. I'll put a diagram up of what that looks like, what it means to be a flanker. But we've got walkers and we've got flankers, and then down there, if you see, we've got the blockers. The way that pheasant hunting works is you walk with the line, and then the flankers cover the sides, and we proceed up the field. You flush up the birds, and then you shoot them. And it's a pretty simple process, actually. It is pretty safe. We do have to have a lot of safety talks, though. It's safe if the hunters are safe. We're out here with some really good guides at Wild Wings in South Dakota near Gregory. And typically the way this works is we go through several fields. This is our first field of the day. Got him. Safety on. That's the important thing. Every time you take a shot and you're done, turn on the safety. That might be it for this field. This is the one that I shot. Look at this beautiful bird. Beautiful. But also very dead. How on earth?
Not a shot.
Oh, bummer.
Did you get any?
I got 2, I think.
Good.
That was pitiful. I should have had that one. Today I'm blocking at the end of the field. Hopefully the birds will fly low so that they come right over me. I'm a murdering machine. Not really. I've missed several good birds that I should have hit. Anyway, I'm out here to represent Wild Wings, the new Wild Wings, down here in Gregory, South Dakota, led by George Johnson and his team. Anyway, we'll turn this video back on when we get more things to shoot at. Shot him up here. Sorry, buddy. I hate to do this to you.
hit his wing. Poor guy. Kind of makes me feel bad when they don't die.
I thought he was
Like,
really...
right, I could have probably reached and grabbed
Well, you should have. Man.
That's field 1.
Yeah.
Ready. Up bird!
There we go.
Roaster!
I am the one, the way your son don't need a gun.
Up bird! Up bird! Up bird! Hen! Kind of scared me a little bit. Get him!
He just drilled that.
Did he? What?
I don't know if he thought he could shoot the gap or.
I have never seen that. He just ran into that tree and crumpled. Good shot. I got 1 shot and 1 kill.
Good job.
Yeah. It's all right. Got it! Was that too low?
Yeah, that was pretty low there. Rooster right here, I see him.
No way.
Yeah, he's right here in front of me. Come here, Jazz. Jazz, come here.
Are you serious?
Jazz. Right here in front of me. He's about 5 foot. Jazz, come here. Dead bird. There he goes. Whoa.
Got him. Well, I got my daily limit, so I'm gonna be blocking today on this last field, on this last day. Hope you guys have enjoyed the show so far. If you did, please like the video, please subscribe, please share the video. Helps me out. We're gonna get back to motorcycle videos pretty soon here. I think I got some mods coming up that I would love to share with you guys, as well as some riding videos that I have not yet edited. So be on the lookout for that. As far as all the videos go, for this trip, I'll see you guys at the end of the field as I drive through this muddy soup. It's like driving a boat, really. The thing barely responds. It's my favorite kind of driving, though. Anyway, guys, I'll see you on the field. Well, that's a wrap on the hunt.